You can pack your things and leave. There's the door. There's the door!
So here's the vet bill from today. Not sure how you're gonna pay that.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof. Boop.
Here we go, now 1. Nothing wrong with me. 2. Nothing wrong with me. 3. Nothing wrong with me. 4. Nothing wrong with me.
Am I a morning person? No. Am I a night owl? No. I don't care what time of day it is. It's a no.
What is the meaning of life? And why do I have 9 of them? And when is dinner?
You are orange and triangular, like a 3D Dorito. You are the strongest shape.
His paws? Adorable. His ears? Adorable. His tail? Adorable. His face? Adorable.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free but always has an attitude.
I am born a cat. I identify as a cat. But according to my mom, I'm just a baby.
First they steal your heart, then your bed. First they steal your heart, then your bed.
Wake up. Wake up.
Concrete?
That's concrete, baby.
Concrete.
Concrete. Funkier, concrete.
Concrete.
Yeah.
Left, right, left, right. Two more times. Left, right, left, right.
If you're a punk and you know it, stick out your tongue. If you're a punk and you know it, stick out your tongue. If you're a punk and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're a punk and you know it, stick out your tongue.
Dogs come when they are called. Cats. We'll take a message and get back to you at our earliest convenience.
Describing cheesy's moods with different cheeses. Provolone, cheddar, pepper jack, Swiss. Describing cheesy's moods with different cheeses. Provolone, cheddar, pepper jack, Swiss. Describing cheesy's moods with different cheeses. Part 2. Parmesan, American, jalapeno Munster, ricotta. Describing cheesy's moods with different cheeses. Part 3. Feta, Colby Jack, spicy sriracha cheddar, blue cheese.
Everyone on my For You page feels bonita. I don't feel bonita. I feel kind of tired and a little cranky.
3. Reason. 2. Not yet. A. Cheesy Poof.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie.
Smart ways to live.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting.
Here's a riddle for you. What has ears, but doesn't listen? My dog.
Let me book you. Let me book you. Let me book you. Let me book you.
Monday, I have nothing to do. Tuesday, I have nothing to do. Wednesday, I have nothing to do. Thursday, I have nothing to do. Friday, Saturday, nothing to do.
I had a lot of things to do today, but you know what I did instead? I took a nap.
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. It's like just participation.
Bunny kicks, oh bunny, 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 bunny kicks. A boom, boom, boom.
I may be 99% angel, That 1% gets me in trouble.